Hi guys, Fred Zent here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a nice pre-owned 2018 Keystone Alpine. It's a 370 front living model. Come on in, let me show you this fifth wheel. When you come in, you got your solid step system. It's very sturdy and secure. This particular model is for people that are full-timers. You come up here into your living area, it's elevated. You got your entertainment center right here. This is a televator, so when you're in transport, that will go down. Above here, you got your entertainment center. You got your Bluetooth DVD player. And then you got your Furrion home theater speakers. Very nice cabinetry work on both sides. And then you got storage over here on both sides of your electric fireplace. Very efficient as far as heat goes. It'll heat this area up. You got two slide outs right here. Both of these are trifold beds. So if you have somebody that's going to stay in here, you got somewhere for them to sleep. And then right here you got your stadium recliners. These they heat and massage. Come down into the galley. Right here is your freestanding dinette. It comes with two additional fold-up chairs. In the kitchen here, you got a very nice large Samsung refrigerator freezer combo with ice cube tray. Over here you have like a computer desk. You got USB ports. You got a pad here that's for your leveling, your awnings. And then you got very nice cabinetry work, full extending drawers. Your island right here, Corian countertop, stainless steel dual sink, and the faucet comes out, which is very nice. Also, you have a nice flat countertop as well. All your hinges are hidden. And then you got a microwave convection combo with a Furrion cast iron 3-burner cooktop, and then an oversized oven. And then you also have more storage here. Right here is your half bath. Let's go up into the bedroom. As you're going up the steps here, you do have just a little here place to put odds and ends. When you come into the bedroom, you got more opposing slides here. You got your king size. After they put a heavy duty mattress in there, and then over here you got your TV and your wardrobe closets, and you got 6 full extending drawers here, and then you got place here to hang your coats. And then storage up here is above. Come on back into this is the nice one. When you come into the bathroom, you got your dual sinks. And again, plenty of place for storing things. If you look at the shower, you got a big shower with the spot to sit down in the corner. And then right here you got your linen storage, your washer and dryer hookups, and again I told you about the folding chairs, they're in there. This particular unit also has central vac. Come on outside, I'm going to show you the rest. Nice thing about this door, it's a friction hinge door, so you don't have to worry about latching it. This unit has plenty of storage. Got a nice deep storage area there. If you up above, you got a huge power awning, outside speakers, And then on your storage here, you got the magnetic door holders. It's a full pass through there, full pass through here. More storage there. On the rear of the coach, got storage there. You got a receiver if you want to haul a bike or something. And then the other sides of the storage. Dual propane tanks. All your valves, your waste, outside hose. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2018 370 front living Alpine, give me a call. My name's Fred Zint, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.